Welcome to the second installment of Blender Geometry Nodes from scratch. Now, if it's your first time seeing me, my name is Ken and I'm a Blender instructor. Now, in this class, we'll continue strengthening your geometry node skills by building a procedural, reusable chain link fence that can be controlled with and drawn with any curve in Blender. As with the first class, you won't just be blindly copying what I'm doing on my screen. Instead, I'll walk you through the setup node by node while I explain why we're using each node, what it does, and how you can apply the same techniques to your own geometry nodes projects in the future. My goal is to help you develop an understanding of the building blocks behind procedural modeling so you can build the brain muscle to create your own reusable geometry nodes assets. We'll cover how to add a geometry nodes modifier to a curve. We'll see how to instance fence posts along the curve. We'll see how to control the number and spacing of posts with the resample curve node. We'll see how to align the posts to the direction of the curve. We'll see how to instance the chain link wires that form the mesh, how to align the wires to the curve, and finally, we'll see how to add the horizontal support cables. By the end of this class, you will have a reusable procedural chain link fence generator that you can import into your future Blender projects and draw using any curve in Blender. You will also have a better understanding of several geometry nodes techniques that you will encounter over and over again as you use and as you build geometry nodes setups. You don't need any prior geometry nodes experience to follow along. However, if you're new to geometry nodes, I recommend starting with class 1, where we covered the fundamentals by building a procedural wooden picket fence. After that, you can come back to this class and continue. If you're ready to build another useful procedural asset and add a few more tools to your Blender toolkit, let's get started. See you in the next lesson.